If you've been logged out of your Cash App account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate the reset process. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon. Locate and tap on the profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Sign In. In the account settings menu, look for the Sign In option. Tap on it to begin the process of resetting your login credentials. Step 4. Choose Forgot Password. When prompted, select the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the password recovery process, allowing you to reset your password. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. You may be asked to enter your email or phone number associated with your account. After verification, you will receive a link or code to reset your password. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Cash App account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for further assistance.